Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. I hope all of you are enjoying your weekends. Thanks for sparing your time to watch this video. So in this video, as usual, we'll look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll look at the price action from 4 hours time frame to 15 minutes time frame. We'll also look at the price action in dollar index in order to understand whether the current trend will continue or can we expect any kind of trend reversal in the coming week. So when we look at the economical events planned on Monday, February 20th, we have Canadian bank holiday and US dollar bank holiday, and we don't have any high impact news in any of the major currency pairs. So we can expect a low volatility in the market, which means that there are possibilities of current trend to continue in gold. Let us look at the price action in dollar index. I am in the 4 hours time frame of dollar index. I have already drawn the trend line of the price action. We can notice that the price action previously was respecting this trend line or the resistance line, and after breaking this resistance line or the trend line, we have noticed a price action to start its bullish side retracement, and we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or the support line from the past price action. So currently the overall trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame, it's in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this support line and the resistance line. And based on the past price action, I have drawn the support line where this level had acted as a support, and in the present price action also this level had acted as a resistance level. So currently the price action is in a bearish side retracement. So these levels are going to be acting as a major support for the current price action in 4 hours time frame, and if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in 4 hours time frame. I have also reconfirmed these levels with the Fibonacci's retracement levels also. Currently the price action is taking support around the 61.80% of the Fibonacci's level, which is around 103.80. And it has bounced back from the resistance level of 78.60%. So these levels of 61.80% and 50% levels are considered as a strong support levels, and once these levels are breached, we can expect a bearish side trend reversal to start in 4 hours time frame in dollar index. And we all know that dollar index inversely correlated with gold, so which means that if the dollar index moves on a bearish side, we can expect a bullish trend to start in gold. Let us look at the price action in gold. I am in the 4 hours time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs. When we look at the current price action in gold, we can clearly notice that it is still in a very strong bearish trend, and after testing the support level of 1818, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Whether this is going to be a retracement or a sign of a bullish trend reversal, we'll have to do the analysis and find it out. So for now, this level of 1818 is going to be acting as a strong support for the current price action in 4 hours time frame, because the price didn't manage to break this support level. And when we look at the past price action also, we have noticed the price at this level to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and whether this level is going to sustain or not really depends on how strong the current bearish trend is. And analyzing the past price action in the past, we have noticed a very strong bearish candle to form. Then we have noticed a little bit of retracement. Again we have noticed a price action to form a very strong bearish candle, but you can notice that there is a weakness in the second bearish candle when compared with the past bearish candle. Again here we have noticed a price action to form a bearish candle, and here also we have noticed a price action to form a double bearish candle. But overall, when we notice the size of the bearish candle, it has become smaller and smaller as it started trending on the bearish side, and finally we notice the bullish candle to be formed. So from this candle formation, it is letting us to know that bearish trend is becoming weaker for now. On the other hand, let us find out whether the bullish trend reversal has started or not. As usual, I have drawn a bearish channel pattern, and we can clearly notice that the current price action is still trading within this bearish channel pattern, which confirms that the current trend is still in a bearish trend. And here also I have drawn the midline of this bearish channel pattern. As explained in my previous analysis also, this mid trend line is acting as a very strong support level for the current price action. Every time the price action tests its midline, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, then to retest this support line, again to bounce back on the bullish side, and currently also we have noticed a similar price action to be repeated. So if the bullish side retracement continues also, we can expect it to test this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern resistance line, we can expect the price action to continue trending on the bearish trend. But what will happen if the price action breaks this resistance line of this bearish channel pattern? How high can the price action trend on the bullish side? Whether it will be the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal, or it will again be considered as a bullish side retracement. So in 4 hours time frame, I have added another green color resistance line and the red color support line also, and currently we are noticing the price action to test this mid resistance line, which was acting as a support line in the past price action also. And also I have used the Fibonacci's extension tool, and according to this extension tool, we can notice that currently the price action is testing the 0.5% resistance level, which is around 1844, and this is also considered as a strong resistance levels. If the price action bounces back from this resistance level, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame, and if the price action breaks this resistance line on this 0.5% of the Fibonacci's extension tool, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue, and next level of resistance is going to be the green color trend line or the resistance line. And once the price action breaks this green color resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1890, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1890, it will be the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. So we have lots of resistance levels in 4 hours time frame on the bullish side, and if the price action bounces back from this resistance line and breaks this support level of 0.618%, which is around 1834, it will be the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1845 and support level of 1834. Wait for the price action to break the support level of 1834 if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, and next level of support is going to be around 1818, and once this support level of 1818 is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1799 or 1800. And on the bullish side, if the resistance level of 1844 is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1855, 1868, 1890. So once this resistance level of 1890 is broken, it will be the bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. Till this level of 1890, it will only be considered as a retracement on the bullish side. It will not be considered as a bullish side trend reversal. And on the bullish side, if you notice a price action to make a higher highs, we can get the clues on the bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. Drawing a trend line like this also will help you to decide on your entry point. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and in hourly time frame previously we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side respecting this blue color resistance line, and we have noticed a price action to take support on this midline of this bearish channel pattern and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Currently we are noticing the price action to test the resistance level of 1845, which was the previous resistance level. Once the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest on this bearish channel pattern resistance line. Once this resistance line is broken, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in hourly time frame also, which means that we can expect the price action to retrace up to this resistance level of 1868, which was a price level where the bearish side retracement started in the past. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. So for the current price action in hourly time frame was also in a bearish trend, and currently it has bounced back on the bullish side retracement and testing the resistance level of 1844. Once this resistance level is broken, we can expect it to retest the resistance level of 1851, and once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1856, 1860 and 1871. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 1844 on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 1838, 1831 and 1819, which means that it will be continuing its current bearish trend. So in the hourly time frame, as long as the price action is trading below this previous high, which was around 1871, we can expect the chances for the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, this level of 1844 is currently acting as a strong resistance for the current price action also. And for now, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a bullish side retracement or in a bullish trend. Wait for it to form a proper trend if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trade in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame, and the price action is trading between the support level of 1839 and the resistance level of 1844. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1844, next level of resistance it's going to be the bearish channel pattern resistance line. Once this resistance is taken, we can expect it to retest the resistance level of 1851. Once this resistance is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1856 and 1860. And on the bearish side, if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1844, the immediate support is going to be around 1839. Once this support is breached, next level of support is going to be around 1834, 1829 and 1819. And this level of 1844 and 1818 is a very strong support and resistance levels for the current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Based on the direction it breaches this resistance level or the support level, we can expect the directional momentum to start in 30 minutes time frame. Let us look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, from the resistance level of 1844, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, again to retest this midline of this bearish channel pattern support line, then to bounce back on the bearish side, again it retested, again it bounced back on the bullish side retracement, which means that it formed similar to an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it has also completed it 100% retracement. So from here, any movement on the bullish side or on the bearish side will determine the direction of the price action for the coming week. Because from the past price action, we have noticed that this level of 1844 and 1818 has been acting as a very strong support and the resistance level. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1844 and support level of 1837. And once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1844 on the bullish side, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1847, 1850, 1854, 1858, 1863 and 1871. And the values within this green color boxes are the resistance levels from the higher time frame, which are little stronger from the 15 minutes time frame resistance levels. So we can expect little bit of bounce back from this resistance levels on the bearish side. But if the bullish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to breach these resistance levels and to continue its bullish side retracement. And on the bearish side, if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1844 on the bearish side, next level of support from the 15 minutes time frame is going to be around 1837, 1834, 1831, 1828, 1823, 1818 and 1811. And we have higher time frame support levels in the green color box. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.